Tag.
Hi.
Eine Frage. Ist der komplett auf Strom?
It's electric.
Electric, komplett.
Yes.
Und wie viele Kilometer hast du?
200.
200.
Yes.
And drive good, good.
Very good.
And how expensive is the bike?
It's like 20,000.
Yes, one must be expensive.
Yeah.
And how long time you think?
I need 40 minutes.
Okay, how much? 20 minutes?
40.
40 minutes. Okay.
Yes.
You can come drink here something.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yes, I will. Thank you.
Cool. Yeah. That's the first bike I see with this. The first bike I see.
There's always the first one. I'm at 65% range of 80 kilometers. I will wait a bit more. I understand why so many bikers they come to Croatia. You have the sun, you have beautiful roads. Sounds like bikers' paradise. So the Eden network is just working with the app. So as long as your phone is working, which is usually true as soon as you have a European roaming, then it's fine. You just use the app and the bike is loading. You don't need to order any card. I just finished lunch. Nice seafood risotto. Still heading to Zadar. I realized that it's actually hard to be on schedule in Croatia because there are so many places you want to stop, either to take a picture or some drone footage. Yes, it's really hard. Look at this beautiful tiny place. Motor.
Motor je bez, jak?
Ah. Ah. This is Zadar, and I'm looking for a charge spot. Let's try. Select. Done. Retry. In fact, they take the deposit and it doesn't work. So I tried this Tesla tap and doesn't work. Just like yesterday, it doesn't work. The issue with electric bike is not range anxiety, it's charging station anxiety. So whatever you have might be an issue. Let's go to our last chance in Zadar. And there is a green light. Connect to the plug. I finally found a charge point. I checked 3 of them plus the Tesla charging at the hotel over there. The first one wasn't working. The 2 others did not exist anymore, or I actually suspect one of them never existed at all. And this is the last one in the city. So it's a super sexy spot. Well, I managed to buy next door that lemonade, nice lemonade, and I also managed to find a seat, which is nice. It makes the spot even better. And yeah, I will be gone in probably 15 minutes, another 15 minutes. Have 100 kilometers to do up to Split, and I have a range of 100 kilometers. So let's see how it goes. But I don't plan to do any other stop for charging. So I'm just slowing down. Fine. Arriving in Šibenik. My current range is 79 kilometers and the signboard was saying 90 kilometers to Split. It's tricky. I'm in Šibenik, trying to find my way. I'm on my way to Split. It's 6:40. I'm probably 3 hours behind schedule, mainly because, let me think, I had a proper lunch and I didn't charge while having lunch. I was just having lunch. The second thing is, in Zadar I lost a lot of time. Third reason, probably underestimated the road, all the twisties. But it's the end of the day, pretty good time to be philosophical. What's the reason to get an electric bike? Because you will never miss any sunset. That is the best reason. It's 6:44. I will be at the hotel at 7:15. Yeah, pretty much ready for the sunset. What's the other good reason? You want to have an electric bike because you want the road just for yourself. See? While other riders, they are ready for dinner, you're still on the road alone. Beautiful. Best thing ever. Don't think that I have an issue with electric bike. I don't. I wouldn't be doing this trip otherwise. It's just that I think it's important to be honest with the limitations, the current limitations.